Do you wish you could gracefully extract yourself from an annoying group chat along with its notifications? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter. Here is how to turn off specific group chats and email notifications without turning off all your other notifications. Let's do it. To silence messages on your iPhone, go to the Messages app, select the conversation you want to silence. In the top center, tap the name of the title card of the person or people who are in the conversation. Toggle Hide Alerts. To silence messages from an email thread, open the Mail app on your iPhone. Tap on the conversation you want to mute. Tap the reply arrow, scroll down, and tap Mute. Now you're going to still be able to receive all your other important notifications without being bombarded by certain conversations. More quick tips at cyberguy.com. Follow me there and get my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.